clothing, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about the Breathe Kaftan by ARMENA Sews and Sew and Flow Patterns. So let's get into some details. Well, actually, ARMENA and the Black Sewing Network hosted a sew along for you to check out if you're on the Black Sewing Network channel. So I'm just gonna cut to that clip and let Carmen and the pattern designer ARMENA tell you all about it. To you, Carmen.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Sunday service. For those that are new here, this is Black Sewing Network, a network that celebrates and amplifies Black voices in the sewing community. And today we are super excited to be making a newly launched pattern by one of our own, Armena Brown of Armena Sews and Sew and Flow Patterns. Hopefully I said that name correctly, right? I did.
Yes.
Okay, yay! Okay. So we are Armena is a new but mighty pattern designer. She's been sewing for how many years, Armena? Have you been sewing?
Over 20.
Over 20 years. And she recently released one pattern, the Asia Hobo set. And now she's releasing the Breathe Caftan, which is very easy to sew, beginner friendly, very hackable. And it is so cute and versatile. And you can actually wear it from the front to the back and the back to the front.
Mm-hmm.
So here is what it looks like for those that are new here. So the pattern link is in the description. If you haven't already grabbed it, it is the Sew Your View pattern of the month. Hold on, let me move Terrence over here. Okay, so I got Armena in the shot. All right, so yes, so as you can see, it is it's size inclusive, is available in sizes up to 6XL. We love a size inclusive pattern around here, okay? And it takes about, I would say, about 4 to 5 yards of fabric, depending on what kind of fabric you're using. The width. It is a low waist pattern, meaning yes, it does use a lot of fabric, but it doesn't waste a lot of fabric, which is always a good thing. So today on our pan, oh, and last thing, it is very hackable. I'm just gonna pop a picture of Carol up in here. So if you want to make it long, you can make it long. If you have some like scraps of fabric that you want to use and make it into a shorter mini dress, you can do it like Carol has done here. We love to see it. And she made it out of Ankara.
So, this is the second pattern that I've tested for. The first pattern that I tested was the Asia Hobo top and skirt. If you missed that video, I will link it here, down there. And I am now a lifetime customer because her patterns are, including this one, are easy to sew and very fun to sew. And the sizing is always on point for me, and pattern and size inclusive. This actual pattern goes up to an 8X. So her patterns usually go up to Let's get into more details about the make. Details about my make. For the first pattern was the Asia Hobo top and skirt. I made the maxi skirt. So for this pattern test, I wanted to try a mini version. With summer coming, we want to show off the legs. Be a little fun and flirty dress for summer. The recommended fabrics are linen, chambray, cotton blends, rayon viscose, lightweight denim, and Ankara. I chose Ankara. And I got this Ankara from the Black Sewing Network Black History Month event. So this past February 2026. So if you were there and if you gifted this fabric, comment below, let me know. I would love to thank you. So I was able to make this and a couple of other things out of this fabric, this lovely, beautiful Ankara. So the size I made a size small. This pattern has pockets. So because I wanted to make the mini version, I just chose to use the 45 length. So Ankara comes in 45 inches width by 4 yards, or how many yards you get cut. So usually the bundles come in 6 or 4 yards by 45 inches width. So I chose to cut the 45-inch width for the height of it, and it was a little too long for me. It was up until here, the full dress. So I wanted it a little mini, so I decided that I was going to cut off the 5 inches from the bottom, and then I took the strip that was on the bottom and the strip that was in the bottom back, I joined them, and then I also cut 2 more strips to double the length of the hem of this ruffle hem that I'm not creating, or this pleated hem, and then I pleated the strip and attached to the skirt, and that's how I got the pleated hem. So the dress has pockets, does have pockets, and has this deep V in the back. I'm sure you can see my bra, but if you do this, you can always just adjust. So there you go. It's the perfect length for me for this coming summertime, and I love the outcome. So you want to see how I did it? Let's go to the table. So the ARMENA Sews Breathe Kaftan has 5 pieces. So there's the front, the back, and these are interchangeable to wear. And then there's the pocket, and then there's the neck facing, and then this other neck facing. So those are 2 pieces, 2 and 1. So those are the 5 pieces. So for the purposes of this instruction, I'm just going to be showing you on the front and the back, and then these are the additional pieces that I already pre-cut out to make the ruffle. So this is the front piece. Well, this is the front piece and this is the back piece, but interchangeable. And to make the mini version, this is the full length of the pattern piece. So you can create a mini version by folding your pattern piece to the desired length. So we're going to say this is our desired length. And you're going to fold it across this straight edge. And then I'm going to fold this to get this out of the way. And that is our mini version. So we're going to do the same thing with the other pattern piece. Mark it that way. And there you go. Fold it. So now we have created our mini versions, right? So let's cut them out. So we have pattern pieces already cut out of the full length. So let me show you how to cut out you would be cutting out the mini version, but let me show you. I started off with a full 45-inch length, so we're gonna assume this is 45 inches. Then we're gonna cut. Now we have our mini. I'm gonna do the same thing for this. So, if you're like me and you started off with a 45-inch full length and decided to cut off the bottom to make your ruffle, then that's what you would be doing. You'd be doing what I just did. If you're starting off before me, then what I would advise to do is to create your mini versions and then cut off the mini versions and then measure the width of this and then cut 2 pieces. So what I did was, this is the width of this, and then I cut it in double. So this is this width doubled, and this is this width doubled. A little bit longer, but doubled. So you would be doing that with this. So these are actually wide enough to be able to do the same thing. So I would take that piece, join it, and then do the same thing, join it, and then you would have the same thing as these. So for the purposes of this, we're going to put these aside and use these pre-cut pieces for our hem. So to create the hem, we're going to first make the dress. So we're going to take the front and the back, right sides together, and we're going to sew the sides. Well, sew the shoulders and the sides. This is armholes. We have sewn up the shoulders and the side seams. And we're gonna give it a press. And of course, if you were making this full size, you would press your seams open. So, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm gonna press my seams to the side. To go next, we're going to take the bottom hem pieces we created, join them right sides facing, and then after we join them, we're going to create a hem. So let's go do that. So here is the hem. This is on the inside and this is on the outside. So it's just a little 1/4 inch fold, 1/4 inch fold double hem. So I'm going to find the 4 corners in this. So find the 4 and then find this 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our 4. Make sure that the joins are on the side. So here you go. We're going to join this hem to this hem. And then join this to this side. Oh, wait. I'm wrong. Look at that. This side is the other join. And then this is the middle. And this is the middle. So we join that there. And then we do the same there. So to be honest, you could probably, well, you can fully skip the ironing and pleats part and just do the 4 corners. So now we have our 4 corners joined. And then now we pleat, right? So we pleat until all this is fitted. So we'll do that. we've made it all the way around our cute little dress. So we're gonna go to the sewing machine and sew all the way around twice, and then we're going to finish the seams and then come back to flip it and press it. And we're back. So I had to hand stitch this down because there was no way this was getting on my machine. Too small and too fiddly. So I hand stitched it and then overlocked it. My overlock attempt was a little better. After you have stitched this with your machine down, pleats down with your machine, and then overlocked the edge or finish your seams how you wanted to, you will be pressing the seams up this way. And then what I would do is I would go around the hem and stitch here. So I'm gonna go around and do that right now. Well, thank you for joining me for the tutorial for the Breathe Kaftan by ARMENA Sews and Sew and Flow Patterns. So me and Mini-Me are matching here. We both have our little ruffled hem and our V-neck. I decided to turn it around for you guys so you can see what it looks like from the front. So for me, this is doable for me for cleavage wise. If you want a little bit modest, you can always take the V up higher, especially also in the back as well. So thank you again for joining me for the tutorial, and I hope that you follow me and subscribe. And let me know if you made this pattern, bought this pattern, or about to buy this pattern. Please buy this pattern if it's in your cart. And let me know how it goes, how you made it. And tag your Instagram below so that I can follow you and see your make. So, till next video. Bye.
Niger, feel the vibration.